Today I'm going to make a quick unboxing video of this Ryobi 1 3/8 Ratchet. This one is the 18 volts, and this is just the tool only. It says it provides up to 35 foot-pounds of torque, 4 position rotating head, and I already went ahead and opened this up. Comes with this nifty extension and the tool, which you will have to provide the battery for it, which I have. It has a Lockout Safety Tab here, which is pretty neat. That way it doesn't drain the battery. It has 2 LED lights there and there. Pretty dope. There it is, and you're able to lift this up and rotate the head. Locks it into place. Rotated, lock it into place. That way you are able to get into the smaller angle areas. Looks pretty good. Feels pretty good. Can't wait to try this sucker out. So yeah, that's just a quick unboxing and a review of the tool. Tool part number is p344, and yeah, pretty neat. Got to mention that it has a nifty little lever here, so you go one way or the other. Yeah, it's pretty sick. I like it. Plenty of light. Alright, and here's a better view of it now in the daylight. Nice, beautiful build. Sweet. I didn't even notice this last night. This is pretty dope. The extension it comes with, it has a placement for it. That is so sick. You lock it. I just noticed that even though it's locked, you are able to activate the lights. It's no big deal. Kind of convenient actually, but this head swivels all the way around. It locks into place. Unlock it here. This is very nice. It's just heavy because of the big ass battery, but you could put a smaller battery that I have at home. But go big or go home. That's right. And I have another one that's a little bit bigger, 6 amperage, but that one is on the brushless drill. I think this one's brushless as well. Nope, I looked it up and it's not. There's some electricity in there from the brushes, so it's not brushless. But it is a nice little build. I like it a lot. Can't wait to use it. I'm here at work already. Can't wait to use it. Alright, and we're going to give it a try. Putting on this door on the Silverado. Oh, damn. I need both hands because this thing is pushing me down. There, I got it pretty good pressed on now. Oh, yeah. It's pretty good. Let's see if I can reach these. Oh, man. The battery's in the way. No biggie. Flip this over. One more. Sorry, I'm doing this single-handedly. Now let's see if we could reach it. Hell yeah! Let's do this one. Whoa, that's pretty freaking good if you ask me. Nice and solid. Heck yeah! This sucker is worth it. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.